Welcome to this tutorial where we'll unravel the methods of creating dynamic charts in Excel that effortlessly adapt to new data. In this session, we'll explore two powerful techniques, creating tables and utilizing the defined name feature. Assuming that you have a list of data and you have created a column chart based on these data, and you want to add one row or data point in the original data source, and you also want the existing column chart can be updated automatically. How to achieve it? Let's see the first method, where we'll leverage Excel's Create Table feature to ensure your charts stay updated as new data seamlessly integrates. You can create a new table based on the source data of the chart, then you can add one row data point under the created table. And you will find that the newly added data point will be updated to the current column chart. Just do the following steps. Select the source data in your worksheet. Go to Insert tab, click Table command under Tables group. The Create Table dialog will open. If your data has headers and you need to select My Table Has Headers checkbox, click OK button. The table has been created based on the selected range of cells. Add one data point under the table. And the newly added data is added into the current column chart automatically. Once the table is created, any new data added will automatically be included in your chart. Now, let's delve into the second method, harnessing the power of the Defined Name feature to establish a connection between your chart and evolving data. You can also use the defined name for each column to update the chart with new data point automatically. Just do the following steps. Go to Formulas tab, click Define Name command under Defined Names group to create one defined name for each column. Enter product in the name text box, and type the following formula into the refers to text box. Equals offset, A2, 0, 0, counta, sheet 1, A, minus 1. Create defined name for sales column with the same operation. Type the following formula into the refers to text box. Equals offset, $B2, 0, 0, counta, sheet 1, $B, minus 1. Click on the chart, and click any data series in your chart. Changing the current formula in the formula bar to this formula. Equals series, sheet 1, product, sheet 1, sales, 1. Then press Enter key. Add one new data under the source data. The chart will update automatically for the newly added data point ideographic period. This method ensures that your chart automatically incorporates new data, keeping your visualizations dynamic and reflective of the latest information in your Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial on creating dynamic charts in Excel using the table and defined name methods informative, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Stay tuned for additional tutorials, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment section below.